In my opinion, every Excel user should possess the skill to generate a bubble line chart that looks something like this. And you know what? The procedure is genuinely straightforward. Here's how you do it. You start off by placing your cursor at the center of your dataset like this and press Ctrl A to highlight your whole dataset. Next, to insert the chart, you're going to go Insert, under Charts, you're going to go to this line chart and you're going to insert something called Line with Marker. Click on it and this is what you get. Now resize and reposition your chart. Once you're ready, right click on your marker, select Format Data Series. In this pop-up here, you're going to select Line and Fill, and then you're going to select Marker. Now we're going to try to make the marker a bit bigger. So you're going to go Marker Option, you're going to select Built-in, and make sure you select the dot like this. And let's make the marker a size of 40. That's going to make the marker look like that. And after that, you're going to expand fill. You're going to go solid fill. And we're going to highlight, or rather fill the inside of this marker with maybe a light blue that looks something like that. Next, we're going to select the border here and go solid line. And let's highlight the border a bit darker so that you can actually see it. Once that's done, right click on the marker again. Select Add Data Label. This is going to introduce a data label to all your marker. Now we want to place the data label at the center of the marker. In order to do that, left click on your data label here, and then you're going to select Label Options. Under Label Position, you're going to select Center, and you're going to scroll down and expand Numbers, and you're going to scroll down some more. Under Category, you're going to do the pull down and select Custom. And the custom format you'll be using would be this, and then click on Add, and you can see that your numbers are nicely formatted. Let's close this pop-up window, and as you can see, my data set has thousands, right? Let's say if you have millions, you're gonna have to use a different format code as shown on the screen here. As always, if you need me to send you a copy of this format code, please leave a request on the comment section of this video.